In the Backyard, sponsored by Custom Retaining Walls and Landscaping.
Hi, this is Chad with Custom Retaining Walls for In the Backyard. Spring is finally here, and it's time to get some water features up and running. Here are a few steps to get your water feature up and running for this season. First off, start by removing any pond heaters or netting that you have protecting your pond. Next, you want to remove any loose or floating debris, such as leaves, sticks, and algae. The best and easiest way to do that is by agitating the water with a skimmer net. Once the water feature is clear of debris, you can assess whether removing additional water or pumping out the pond down is necessary to further rinse the pond and remove any excess algae or sludge. After the pond has been cleaned, now is a good time to inspect your water feature equipment, such as your pump, UV clarifier, filter brushes, skimmer nets, and water fill valves. Now the pond is ready to start running for the season. You want to add any water treatments. I'd begin with an algicide to help control and kill off any remaining algae. Water clarifier, this will help capture any solids that are left in the water and trap them in the filters. A water conditioner, this is going to help remove any chlorine or nitrates that are built up in the pond. And lastly, a scum remover, this will help dissolve and float any floating debris left in the bottom of your pond. Wait to add any beneficial bacteria until the water temperature is above 55 degrees. Beneficial bacteria will help reduce the amount of ammonia and nitrates in your pond, and it'll also help keep the pond crystal clear. Lastly, you want to make sure any of your bioaccumulation netting is clean and in place in your biofalls. It's weighted down for the beneficial bacteria to live and thrive. Following these steps will ensure your pond will be crystal clear and ready for the season of enjoyment in your backyard. All these products seen today are available at Custom Retaining Walls, along with the experts to help you answer your questions. Once again, this is Chad with Custom Retaining Walls, and we'll see you again next week in the backyard.